not nice to concede a goal like that, but we're a team that take risks. And before I received the ball, obviously I saw Debs are there.
Mamelodi Sundowns suffered a heartbreaking 4-3 defeat to Borussia Dortmund in their second FIFA Club World Cup group stage encounter at GQL Stadium on Saturday, a clash that left fans both proud and frustrated. Lucas Ribeiro gave Masandawana a dream start in the 11th minute with a clinical finish that sent the South African contingent into raptures. But despite the early lead, the Brazilians went into the halftime break trailing 3-1 after a series of defensive lapses gifted the German Giants a comeback. Sundowns rallied in the second half, showing resilience and determination. They pulled 2 goals back and looked set to equalize, but ultimately it was too little too late as Dortmund held on for all 3 points in a thrilling 7 goals spectacle. While the loss doesn't spell the end of the road for the reigning South African champions, it sparked a flurry of a fan reaction online, some emotional, others sharply critical. And most of them blamed the goalkeeper Ronwen Williams. One frustrated supporter said Ronwen Williams sold the game. For what reason, I don't know. He just freezes with every ball. A ball-watching goalkeeper. Really? What? Others joined the chorus of criticism aimed at Sundowns' goalkeeper and defensive line and said, "Our biggest problem is at the back. We need a top goalkeeper to challenge Williams and a solid left back. Otherwise, I'm super proud of our boys." Another fan highlighted the team's risky playing style as a weakness and said, "We must stop playing from the back when under pressure. Just clear the ball. Still, I believe we are going to the next stage." Meanwhile, some fans couldn't resist mixing humor with conspiracy, referencing local rivals, and one said, "You redeemed yourself in the end there. It was just Orlando Pirates' Sangomas disturbing the players. Sundowns would have won this." One user took aim at striker Peter Shalule's minimal impact and said, "So Peter Shalule is there just to sing Amagwijo." Coaching decisions also came under the spotlight, particularly the triple substitution in the second half. And one said, "Coach cost us the game. Substituting Igram Reyners, Lucas Ribeiro and Teboho Mokoena at the same time was a mistake." Another supporter praised the team's fighting spirit but warned against recurring errors and said Dortmund's goals were gifts. "We had to work for ours. This team is strong but needs proper coaching. No room for schoolboy errors." Despite the disappointment, many fans praised the team's overall performance, and one said, "Absolutely proud of the boys, but these mistakes are getting annoying. Williams and his defense need to do better." Others singled out individual performances, and one said, "The selfishness Lucas Ribeiro displayed today needs to be studied at the university. Williams dropped the ball, Mokoena and Mutau disappeared, and I don't even want to start on the decision not to play Shalule." Despite the mixed reactions, belief in the team's potential remains strong. Mamelodi Sundowns are still in with a chance of progressing to the next stage to the tournament, and the fans will be hoping that the lesson from this dramatic encounter spark a renewed focus and stronger showing in the matches to come. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.